Pink lemons. These limes, when you cut it, supposed to be pink inside, or I don't know. Hello guys, I am Miku, and today we are going to do a very special cocktail. Special because it's personalized for Priuța, and sorry I cannot do it these days for you. I promise you, I think around 5 days ago or 4 days ago I will do it, so here it is. Let's just start it. I will start first with the liquors, and they are very special. I hope you guys love it. This is Patron Tequila with flavor of mango, and it's a special one. So we were going to put it inside of this stuff. You will see why I will do it here. 1.5 ounces, that means around 60, maybe, yeah, around 60 milliliters. Wow, this tequila have a very also it smells of mango, so it's nice one. This is triple sec, guys, just a 1/2 ounce, and we will see what we'll do. I think will be very nice, this one. It's the first time I make it, so it's the first time I think it, so I hope everything what I supposed to do will be fine. Now it's here tequila and triple sec, and I will start with the normal lime. That lime is for another this one. What they put it here. Okay. Let me show you something, because let me show you something. You do like that, just to have more juice inside, and after that cut this one, guys. Okay, and leave a half like this. Now if you look already, it looks like a margarita. Mix it here, but okay, I think it's enough anyway. Now it's coming the funny part. We have here a mango, and I will show you also here, so you can eat the bigger one. So just having an idea how also to cut this mango. See this one? It's not so good. Okay, it's supposed to be like this, but I cut it also this one. I will take it out with a spoon, not a problem. Now what I will do, just cut it a little bit like this, maybe one time like that. This mango, we will just slice it with a spoon, and all these cuadritos all coming inside. Okay, mango, don't try to buy, or if you wanted to do this one, I don't know, don't try to buy that mango who is bigger and looks like a green and red. Don't have flavor, don't have too much taste, and I don't know, too many fibers inside. I don't like it. Now it's coming the funny part. We were going to put here some, come behind with some ice. Why? You will see why immediately. If I touch it with my hands, don't worry, I will taste it, I will drink it, so don't think it's a problem. I think it's enough ice. I hope it's enough ice. And of course we have here ice cream, vanilla ice cream 3 big spoons or maybe 4. A lot of things, eh? Okay, don't worry. Will be very nice. Wow, it already looks very, very nice. So, let's mix this drink. Come on. Come on. A lot of noise, don't worry. Looks like this ice cream don't want to go down. I don't understand why. Why? It's supposed to be going down there, and also to mix it with everything looking like a smoky. Come on. This looks like a smoky. Let me try a little bit more. Silly size there. Come. Everything. 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 Okay, no problem. There's not too much ice. An ice cream. Okay, a special glass of Margarita. This is perfect because it looks like a smoothie. See? Oopsie. Oopsie. Okay. Oopsie poopsie. How it looks? Great, huh? And what do you think? I done? No, no, I'm not done. I'm not done. I just come here with a nice slice of lime, and after that you will think I'm still done. No, I'm not still done. Take it easy. Now is coming the funny part, guys. You know what is this? This is XO Coffee Patron Tequila, and yep, we're going to open. For sure you know what is this. For sure you will find it everywhere. Now you will open like this. Be sure nothing here remains, okay? And what we will do, we will just try to put here like a liar, just like this. Of course, if it's going down, don't worry. This is how to do it, a mix. You can do whatever. And after that, it's still a lot. But this is how it's supposed to look. If you drink it and drink it and drink it, if you want it, this one, don't slice it like that. You can put it inside. But I think it's enough like this, because already having a lot of tequila, so it looks like that. And I don't know, let's say Roxy, I don't know if you like it, but I will test it. First of all, let's show you close. Okay, this is how it looks. This is the ice cream, this is the ice, this is monkey, and this is how it looks. And I hope you liked. Anyway, you will tell me after that. Okay, let's try this drink now. Wow, tastes super nice. I mean, the flavor of the margarita, smoky already, and having that tequila inside of mango, the flavor of mango, it's amazing. And it's very fresh. And yes, it's going down. It's going down. Tequila coffee. From here. Okay, it's yours. I cannot stop drinking, so what can I say? For a picture, I will make it back. Okay, nice one. Thank you guys, until my next video, stay cool. I hope you like it, I hope you enjoyed Priuța. This was for you special drink. Until my next video, stay cool, of course. I will try to make a video with the pink limes. I'm also curious, inside of these limes, they are not yellow, it's a pink one. Thank you. Until my next video, stay cool, so bye.